play lamp game. If you like the lamp, you can say cool things. Yes, do you understand me? Now who wants to play behind you? Okay. Now choose one. Choose one. Right here. What is it? It is a sharpener. It is a sharpener, yes. Now you are right. Sit down, please. And you please come here. Be quick. Be quick. Choose one. Now what is it?
Ruler.
Ruler. Yes, you are right. Thank you. The next, you please come here. Okay. Now choose one, Pascal. What is it? It is a
page.
Book, yes. You are right. Thank you very much. Take you. You are right. Thank you very much. The next. Who wants now oral bite? Come here. Choose one. What is it? It is a super items. Bag. Yes, you are right. Thank you very much. Take good one. The next. Who wants? Yes, you please. Midina. Choose one. Now, what is it? Book? Yes, you are right. Thank you very much. Sit down, please. Next, Ranga, come here. Choose one. Сызғыш. Қалай айтамыз? Сызғыш, ruler in English. Ruler. Yes, you are right. Thank you very much. Sit down, please. Now, thank you, children. And let's. The next game. The next game. Plane. I give you some planes. Now take. Be quick, please. Now stop. And now children, you should fly the plane each other. Now, listen to me. You fly. You should fly plane each other and open inside some question inside. You should answer them. Now let's fly each other. Fly each other. Fly each other. Yes. Fly each other. Now, take each other. Now, stop. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Take one. And then you please stand up. Now you should answer questions. Yes. Now you need to write or draw on the blackboard. What is it? Both items in English, chalk. It is a chalk. Now, well done. Now, sleep class. Sit down. Can you spell the word school? Excellent. C R O. What's the letter? L. L. Yes, well done. The next. Have your questions?
People that
work at school. Name the people. Name the 3 people that work at school. At school. Мектепте жұмыс істейтін адамдар.
teacher,
Медсестра.
nurse,
Yes, well done. And cooker. Yes, well done. Second. Sit down. You please. School subjects. Name 3 school subjects. School subjects: English, maths, yes, well done. Thank you, stop. Next, you please.
how many chairs are there in one classroom?
How many
How many chairs are
chairs
there
there is in your classroom? How many chairs? Now let's count. How many chairs? 20. 24. Yes, there are 24 chairs in class. Yes. Sit down, please. Have any questions?
What subject are you good at?
Yeah, what subject do you good at? I am good at English. Yes? And maths. Yeah? Қай пәннен жақсы? Жақсы. The next, have you now? Have you questions? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is my favorite is
English.
yes, well the second. Now, children, let's start our new lesson. Open your books on page 26. School rules. Write down today's date. The same, our lesson is school rules. School rules. Мектеп ережелері. Now children, look at the pictures. Now what do you think? What is sugar?